Hello everyone and welcome back to English Flow channel. This is part 2 of our special episode, Tell Me About Yourself. In part 1, we talked about names, places, age, jobs, and family. Now, in part 2, we will continue with pets, favorite things, hobbies, and even dislikes. Stay with us, because at the end we will also tell you how to make your answers more natural. Do you have a pet, David?
Yes, I do. I have a dog.
A dog. I love dogs. What is his name?
His name is Max. He is very friendly and very funny.
Oh, Max. What color is he?
A small, brown, happy dog.
That sounds so cute. I want to meet Max.
Love it. Maybe one day. Do you have a pet, Anna?
Yes, I have a cat.
A cat. See, we are different. A dog person and a cat person.
It's true. Her name is Luna.
Luna, that's a lovely name. What does she look like?
She is black and white. She is very quiet and very sleepy.
A sleepy cat. That sounds normal.
Yes, she sleeps all day. It's a good life. It is for a cat.
Okay, so we know a lot now. Name, age, job, family, pets.
Now, let's talk about things we like, our favorite things.
Good idea. This is the fun part. Let's start with food.
Okay, David, what is your favorite food?
This is a difficult question. I like many foods.
Just choose one.
Okay, I think my favorite food is pizza.
Pizza. A great choice. I love pizza too. What kind of pizza do you like?
I like vegetable pizza with tomatoes and peppers and onions.
That sounds healthy and delicious. I like pepperoni pizza. A classic.
Good choice. So, is pizza your favorite food too?
It's one of my favorites, but my number one favorite food is pasta.
Ah, pasta is a good choice too. Very yummy.
Yes, I love it.
Okay, next favorite thing. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Like the sky. Blue is a very nice, calm color. I like it.
Thank you. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. Green. Like the trees and the grass in a garden.
I love the color of nature. That's beautiful. Blue sky and green grass.
Perfect.
It is.
Okay, what's next?
Favorite animal?
Oh, this is easy for me. My favorite animal is a dog.
Of course, I know, because of Max.
Yes, dogs are loyal and friendly. I love them. What about you? Is your favorite animal a cat?
Yes, I love cats. They are so elegant and independent.
Elegant. That is a good word for cats. Okay, let's move on to hobbies.
Hobbies.
The things we do for fun.
Great topic.
What are your hobbies, Anna?
Well, I am an art student, so my hobby is painting.
Do you paint a lot?
Yes, every weekend. It helps me relax. I also like to read books.
Reading is a fantastic hobby. What kind of books do you read?
I like storybooks. Adventure stories are my favorite.
Adventure stories. How exciting.
It is. What about you, David? What are your hobbies?
I have a few hobbies. I love listening to music.
Music. What kind of music do you listen to?
I like rock music. Old rock music.
Ah, very cool.
And what else? I also like to play sports. I play soccer with my friends on Saturdays.
Soccer. You are very active.
I try to be. It's fun to run and play with friends.
That's great. So, you like sports. Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I love watching movies, especially comedy movies. I love to laugh.
Me too.
Laughing is the best. I like comedy movies and also animated movies.
Animated movies are great. So much imagination.
Yes, they are beautiful to watch too. This is great. We are learning so much about each other.
I know. It's like we are answering, tell me about yourself right now.
Yes, we are. We are giving a very long answer. A very, very long answer. Let's think what else.
We can talk about things we don't like.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay.
What is a food you don't like, David?
A food I don't like? Let me think. I do not like olives.
Olives? Really? I like olives.
See, we're different again.
I don't like the taste. What about you? Is there a food you don't like?
Yes, I don't like spicy food. Very hot food.
Oh, I see. For me, a little spicy is okay, but very, very spicy. No, thank you.
Exactly. Okay. What about an activity you don't like?
An activity I don't like. I don't like to wait in long lines.
Does anyone like that?
I don't think so. It's so boring.
I agree. I don't like that either.
I also don't like to wake up very early.
Are you not a morning person?
No, not at all. I like my sleep.
I understand completely. Sleeping is very important. So, this is a good way to describe yourself. You can say what you like and what you don't like.
Yes, that's a very good point. It shows your personality. And this is where we will stop for today.
Oh, really?
But there is still more to say.
Exactly. That is why we will continue in part 3.
Yes, in part 3, we will give you more tips, more examples, and a big conclusion. So don't miss it.